Hey guys, welcome back. I am so excited. We are finally tackling our guest room. We went to Ikea today to buy a bed, a nightstand. We got some decor. We got a mattress at Ikea, which we did not think we would get at Ikea, but we ended up liking one that was very comfortable. Mainly we're doing this because my boyfriend's grandma is coming to stay with us for a week and we are so excited and we just want her to feel very at home and happy here and comfortable. But I cannot wait to show you guys this transformation. I really hope you guys are enjoying my videos and don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. So let me show you guys the room and then we can get started and I will time lapse and show you all of the things that we got, all of the items, everything that we bought. We were planning on painting this room first, but now we have run out of time and I know that we still will, so that'll be even more of a transformation that I get to show you guys along the road. What happened here? He can't breathe. No, he's breathing really hard. Okay. That scares me. Oh my goodness. Boys.
Okay, he started it.
But we are now gonna get everything out of the burrita. La burrita has really came in handy, guys. You guys have no idea. Okay, so everything is inside now, and now we are finally about to start just building everything, putting everything together in here, and then we'll finally have a guest room. And this is exciting, guys. We can have family over from everywhere. All right, we've got the bed, the table, the mattress, decorations.
Ah!
What's wrong? We've got a dog and blankets. And the sheets are washing because you should always wash new sheets. And now we're gonna put it all together. And I'm time-lapsing all of it. I can't find my phone, so I'm using Moist. So this bed, you guys, is from Ikea, obviously. It's called the Sagstua or something around that. I know it's really hard to pronounce all of these Ikea product names, but I will have everything as always linked below. But this bed is beautiful. It is so awesome. It is so sturdy. So whenever you put it together and you try to move that thing, it does not move. So I'm really happy about that. The next thing that we do is unroll the mattress because it needs about 72 hours or so to, you know, inflate to the size that it's supposed to get. But I mean, I never thought of getting a mattress from Ikea, to be honest, so I thought it was crazy that we found this super comfortable and just really good mattress. And so far, everyone that has stayed at our house has really loved it. So one of the only things that we did not get from Ikea is the tempered glass desk that we put in the corner from Wayfair. So we're almost done. Now it's all the finishing touches, the most fun parts. I find them the most fun. So we've put the bed together. Moy put up the SKADIS, and I can't wait to decorate the SKADIS either, but right now we're gonna put on the sheets with some brand new comforter that we got, and we hope it looks really good, but we're loving it so far. Right, babe?
Yes, ma'am. Look good. Looks real good.
We're ready to just have a drink and chill out though. So these SKADISes from Ikea, we have one in almost 3 rooms now, so we love them. They are so cute. They can even work as a bedside table. You can put a little tray, but we just decided to decorate it with some things from Ikea. The comforter set, we actually got this from Marshall's. You know, they come in a whole bundle with everything, so that really worked out. I'm so glad that we found something white. It is reversible, so the other side is gray, but we are definitely thinking to just use the white. One of my favorite items that we got today is this pillow cover. It is so cute. It's like suede and mint green. This is the color we're trying to paint the walls. Okay guys, officially done. We took longer than expected, but I mean, every project that you think is gonna take some amount of time always takes longer. But last step, we just have to vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum. And one more finishing touch. So I cannot wait to show you guys. We feel so mellow here, so just relaxed, and this is exactly what we were going for. Okay, so I decided, I can tell this lighting is not giving it much justice, so I will reveal this tomorrow. Hey guys, so yes, today is what I have been waiting for, to show you guys how the room came out. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I hope that you guys do too. We didn't get to put any curtains because we got the wrong size, but it still looks so amazing, you guys, and I cannot wait to show you. So let's go. Other than just the comforter and some accent pillows being thrown on the bed, we also got some little accent, you know, blankets to put on the bed. So we decided to put this little desk in the corner because we want whoever stays here, especially if it's a woman, then basically just give them somewhere to do their makeup or use the mirror. We got that tabletop mirror from Ikea. I think it is the cutest thing, and it is very, very modern, and I just love it so much. And it's just a really good mirror. Like, I want to get one for my bathroom for whenever I do my makeup. But yes, we just want our visitors to feel comfortable, have a little place to get ready and start their day. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Please look out for more room makeovers on my channel because we are definitely into that. Say hi, Louie. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh my. Louie, get down. You know better. Sit. Good boy. Shake. Oh, it's a good boy to shake. Yeah, okay. Well, you guys, look out for more videos like that. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please, please subscribe. I am excited to make more, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And we got the wrong curtains, so we didn't put any curtains up, but other than that, it looks beautiful in here. We're so excited for his grandma to get here, and we really hope she enjoys this room. If you guys have any questions or comments, please comment, let me know, and I will answer anything and everything. Not everything is from Ikea in here, but most of it is. So I will link everything and also the things that are not from there. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye. You want to say bye, Louie? Say bye, bye, bye.